Gorillas are the largest living primates on Earth. A silverback weighs up to 400 pounds. They rarely need to roar or scream. Chest beating sends messages across the jungle. Each beat pattern carries a different meaning. Younger gorillas learn signals by watching elders. Eye contact alone can stop a fight. A held gaze means serious challenge or threat. Mothers stroke infants to signal safety. Lip smacking means a gorilla feels relaxed. Gorillas remember faces of friends for decades. Groups stay silent during dangerous predator encounters. A single glance redirects the entire troop. Intelligence this deep rivals human social behavior.